Welcome to dsnews.com. I'm Kelly Snogren, and this is Monday's Top Default Servicing News. Even though Radar Logic reported a monthly increase in home prices for March, the analytics company expects prices to fall and gave credit to temporary market forces for recent strengths seen in the housing market. According to Radar Logic, the RPX composite price, which tracks home prices in 25 major metropolitan areas, showed a 1.8% increase on a monthly basis, but decreased by 0.87% year over year in March. Dismissing the monthly increase, Radar Logic said significant discounts for distressed properties in relation to non-distressed means a further fall in prices. As for the temporary forces, the analytics company named institutional investors and mild weather as driving factors that gave the market a boost. Michael Fetter, president and CEO of Radar Logic, said, quote, "In light of the oversupply we continue to see in the market, we disagree with the widespread view that home prices have reached a bottom or will do so in the near future. Given the abundance of supply, an exogenous shock to housing demand could send prices sharply lower. Such a shock could be psychological. A negative response to economic news, either in the U.S. or elsewhere in the world, could undermine housing demand and seriously hurt home prices," unquote. The number of loans refinanced through HARP in the first quarter of 2012 nearly doubled from the previous quarter, according to the FHFA. The report showed that about 180,000 loans were refinanced through HARP during the year's first quarter, nearly twice the 93,000 refinanced in the previous quarter. The month of March alone saw 79,470 loans refinanced with HARP. The FHFA attributed most of this increase to the recent updates to HARP, which removed loan-to-value ceilings for borrowers. Before the program was changed, the loan-to-value ratio could not exceed 125%. Thanks to the expansions, more than 4,400 underwater loans refinanced in the first quarter qualified under the new changes. As always, you can find more on these stories and all the latest headlines from around the industry here on our site. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again Tuesday. Until then, stay with dsnews.com for all of your most relevant default servicing news.